This is a fake background, while this is the original. I know you so want to make that video, like you have everything ready and you want to make that video, but you're worried about your background. You can use fake background to make your videos. Like, yes, it is very easy. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to use fake backgrounds on your video. So feel free to make your videos anywhere and you can easily just change the background using the Capcut app. Yes, you had me, using the Capcut app, and it is very easy. It is also free. All you need to do is to sit down and watch this video to the end, so know how to learn how to change your video background to a fake background. Let me show you how to do this. Bring in the picture you want to use as your background first, then extend it. Extend it to the length of your original video. Now, after doing that, you're going to go to Effects. Click on Effects and then you click on Video Effects. Then go to Lens. Under Lens, you select Blur Effect. You can either increase it or you reduce it. For this video, I'll be using 30. For this particular video I'm doing 30. So after that, you're going to extend the effect to the very end of the picture, so it covers the entire thing. So do not forget to make sure it covers the entire thing. Now when you're done with that, the next thing to do is to bring in the video you want to use as an overlay and make sure it fills the screen. Now after that, you go to remove background, which is remove BG. So you click on that remove BG and then you click on auto remover, and as you can see, my background is gone, like my main background is gone. So now, depending on your internet speed though, the background will be removed, and then you can either zoom in or zoom out your video. Just make sure it looks like your exact background, and that's it. But do not forget to delete the excesses so that the blur background matches your video. So after editing everything, after putting the fake background into your video, make sure to remove the excesses so that it will match the video. Yes, as you can see, it is that easy, it is that simple. All you need to get is your CapCut app, and then you can make your videos anywhere. Then while editing or when editing, you can just easily remove the background and put a fake background, and nobody will notice. And yeah, you've achieved your goals, you've made your videos, and your videos is looking so thanks for watching. Have an amazing day. See you on our next video and all of our videos. Bye. See you next time. Bye bye.